What's up guys, hope you're doing fantastic and welcome to the first episode of Dashcams in America. If you have any clips you want to send in, make sure to send it to that email on the screen right now and watch the first one right here. Absolutely stupid, crossing across 4 lanes as well, just stupid. And now just keep your eyes on that white car and then watch out how he crosses the lane and what happens next. Even though the biker was going pretty fast, you still shouldn't be cutting 3 lanes at once without looking back. It's not smart.
Wow, didn't even know there was a light there.
Okay, let's just take a guess. Is that guy colorblind or is he just completely blind? Let me know. I mean, it's always unfortunate to be in that kind of situation, but if you are in that situation, just go straight if you can't turn, because otherwise you might lose the car and then maybe even kill yourself, which is not better. I mean, this one is pretty cool. I mean, it's a fire show, but again, you shouldn't be doing that on the street, even though it's pretty ridiculous. I don't exactly know the backstory to this one, but there's gonna be 3 people coming from the back, or from the side actually, going to the car in front and then beating one guy up. I mean, that guy who's beaten up, he probably had a pretty bad day, and I have no idea what happened, but just take a look for yourself. You might have missed that, but there was a guy just in right there, but I bet you he had a pretty interesting evening. Okay, so what's going to happen here is the driver in front is going to start to get some hydroplaning. And what you want to do in that situation is just keep your hand on the steering wheel, don't move it in any dramatic movement, get your foot off the gas, and just keep it going straight until you're out there. Don't accelerate, don't brake, basically do nothing, just let it go straight and see what happens, because that woman right there, she did some drastic movements and then she crashed, obviously. I honestly have no idea where the hell she's going. Like, what is she doing? Is she like hallucinating or something? Okay, so the crazy thing about that hit is that the guy in the white pickup truck actually afterwards told the driver of this car, "You were in fault, why did you hit me? Well, I didn't do anything wrong." Let me know what you think about that.
Missed my freaking turn. I'm so annoyed. Ah! God, this road is terrible. So now I'm on a Schuylkill Expressway. Ah, Jesus! Holy shit, somebody almost hit me. Oh my god. I've got my camera.
I mean, that guy really had to get somewhere quickly, didn't he?
Oh my god.
Sorry, I called it a bad time.
Just keep your eyes on the pedestrian on the right there. Look what happens.
you kidding?
I mean, there's a ton of people who say that being a truck driver is just really easy because you're just sitting in a truck and driving all day to one destination. But this is the stuff you got to deal with on a daily basis. Just trying to get past you in a freaking construction zone. I mean, it's a nice car, but you might not keep it for that long because it might be broken pretty soon. And there you go, there's another truck driver just having a bad day. It's just, I feel for them, man.
You done? I'm gonna eat Eddie. That's good idea. You ain't gonna eat it, Eddie. You go to waste there. How's the boat?
Remember 1217.
Okay, so you might be looking at that Corvette because it does look pretty nice. I love the color scheme of that. But that's not the whole thing. Just look at the car on the left there, that white car. And look at what happens now. Damn, that nice i3. And if that guy didn't have insurance, that's going to be a tough one. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this one, and make sure to send everything in via email. The email, I'm going to put it on screen again, and it's also going to be in the description down below. So thank you very much for being here, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
He was coming too fast.